nasty, mean old lady. Since we moved into this house, she's been just rude to us.
I'll teach you some manners, boy.
And she asked if we can move our cars. I did not have time to move my cars because we were late to go hang out with kids from Make-A-Wish. Here's some proof. Children who are awesome. What's up, Arthur, Arturo, and Gavin? I don't know. She got my number. She started texting me, emailing me, knocking on the door, and I was like, oh my God, she's stressing me out. No one let her in. She just walked into our house.
Yes. Okay. All right. I've done this before. Good. This is stupid meat, so it's in here. Go around this way. Right. That is our first.
So then I called the police. And then the cops showed up. And then she told the police officer that she called me. And then I called her back. And because she didn't answer, she walked over to see what I wanted. Oh man. Anyways, I just thought you guys would want to know what's happening in my peaceful life. Wow, this is some drama. We're calling on a drama channel. But if anything ever happens to me, you guys know who attacked me. The crazy old lady next to me. That is pointing to you. This crazy old lady, right? Now,
That's true.
listen, this is serious.
I'm not gonna take any risks.
Broke into our house.
Right.
I'm serious, watch.
But we have to open the special key.
I'm not joking, watch this.
No, where two things are.
Simon, too.
So that maybe which way we're going.
Who is that? Wait, is that Nora?
Close this. Open this.
I don't know, she's a scary person. Look, she came in our house. That lady just came in our house.
Wait, who was John?
Yeah. What do you think about that? Do you guys know who that is?
No, our neighbor.
It's the crazy lady from next door.
Oh, yeah, stopping us from making a firework?
Correct. On 4th of July, you guys are not do fireworks.
Why didn't you say Halloween?
That's our neighbor. Look who came to our house.
The police.
Yeah, I called him. And you know what happened? He wouldn't even press charges. You know what press charges means? Okay, it's when somebody gets like arrested without going into handcuffs. Because it was a little old lady, he wouldn't press charges. But if that was me and I went in her house, he would have arrested me on the spot, right? Yeah, or what if I was a minority? What if my color was a little different on my skin? I would have been arrested immediately. But this is so prejudiced because I was young. She's pretending to be this little old helpless lady. She's allowed to walk in people's houses.